Oh, 5 years have gone.
I feel privileged to be involved in promoting our services, communicating with clients, and contributing to the company's growth in the market.
Being in the airport operation is medyo nakakapagod. So, different client kasi different approach din. So, gusto mo sa team is natututo while maintaining yung safety nila. Sa Power Up naman, di ka naman mapaburn out kasi nga yung team mo is cooperative naman tsaka willing to help.
Masaya. Naging part ng Power of dahil sa masaya sa trabaho. Gusto ko yung trabaho na pinasukan ko.
Of course, I'm very blessed and also I'm happy to be part of such a wonderful and hardworking team. And because of Babarov, marami rin ako na-experience and also a lot of opportunities open up because of Babarov.
I'm so blessed na naging part ako ng Power Up kasi marami ako natututunan. Then yung dito, environment, napaka-healthy.
For me, it's fulfillment. And blessing din siya kasi hindi lang to yung gusto kong work, as well as yung tao din, yung mga co-workers ko, especially si na Ma'am Cha, Sir Aaron yung mga boss namin, and Sir Marks. Sila din yung naging parang role model ko para maging ganito ako. Mas ma-improve ko yung skills ko. Yung Power of din kasi, dito ko naranasan yung mga first time ko. Tsaka marami din akong mga great achievements and a lot of opportunities, tsaka yung mga unforgettable milestones.
Sa akin, personally is yung pagiging responsible, syempre. Syempre sa job position na nakuha ko. Sa akin talaga nagpo-fall yung decision making, tapos yung double check ng mga gamit. Pero minsan nakakalimot pa rin naman. Pero kahit pa paano, na babago naman konti-konti.
Mga naging changes ko ay na-improve ko yung aking skills. Saka mas marami pa ako natutunan sa electrical. At mas napadali ko yung pakikipagsalamaha ko. Mas madali na.
Personality-wise, since it's my first job, I learned how valuable money is compared to mula high school, ganyan.
Yung improvement ko po siguro yung dito namin po sa IPLAS, tapos sa FSS. Kasi po nung pagpasok ko po dito, wala akong idea kung paano nag-work tong IPLAS, tapos FSS, gano'n po. Tapos nung nalaman ko na po, biglang importante pala ito sa mga property na natin. Tapos doon na din ako natuto sa mga skills ko, katulad ng mga basics, operation lang naman ma'am, ganun. Tapos sa personality naman po, sa pagkikita salamuha sa mga iba't ibang klaseng tao, ganun po. Siyempre, kasi yung ibang naman tao ma'am, kasi hindi pare-pares ng ugali. Kaya parang ganun lang.
Plus po yung pag-uusapan, madami-dami na rin po yung natutunan ko po nun sa mga ganyan, sa troubleshooting, kung gano'n. Kung iisipin is kaya-kaya ko na pong i-handle yung mga kasama ka sa work.
I become more confident, adaptable, and more patient.
Actually, siguro punta ako sa sagot na maging more consistent. So, kasi yung growth is hindi naman agad-agad, so parang gradual siya. So, siguro by keeping our team or kahit yung sarili ko na i-remind, example lang is pagdating sa oras or kung ano yung tamang ginagawa sa trabaho, siguro by consistent reminder doon is na-improve din natin yung sarili natin at yung team natin.
I've been exposed to different opportunities and also experiences na nakatulong sa akin personally when it comes to marketing aspects. Since I'm also a sales and marketing associate here, na-improve sa akin yung mga ideas due to brainstorming with Ma'am Cha. When it comes to personal characters naman is, mas naging confident ako when it comes to talking with other people and then makipag-communicate with clients.
Una sa skills kasi dati electrical lang talaga yung more on electrical lang talaga yung alam ko. So napasok sa FDAS, sa AFSS, kitchen, FM200. So mas na-improve yung skills. Tapos sa personality, na-improve ko yung confidence lalo sa pagkikipag-usap sa ibang tao, sa mga client natin.
As an employee ng Bauer of, I think yung mga changes, especially sa personality ko, nag-boost yung confident ko in terms sa makikipag-communicate and pati din yung work skills ko, especially sa office works. Ganun. Throughout those skills, mas naging malakas talaga yung loob ko with the help of Bauer of.
Nag-improve ako sa technical skills, and also sa personal skills. Sa technical, na-improve ko yun kasi may mga natututunan ako dito like electrical, tsaka mechanical. Then yung sa personal skills naman, natutunan ko yung pag-socialize and humarap sa mga client.
May we continue to create value for our customers and continue to achieve our mission, which is ensure firelight safety, save life, save property, and as well as our vision to be the standard setter for firelight safety in the Philippines.
For Bauer Rope is, nakikita ko siya as young pa, more potential, tsaka more rooms for improvement. Kung i-compare mo nga siya sa isang tao is parang 5 years old pa lang siya, marami pa siyang pagdadaanan. Pero good thing kay Bauer of is maganda yung foundation niya tsaka alam niya yung directions niya. Yung is maging specialized sa firelight safety. So sa tingin ko is all goods tayo. Congratulations kay Bauer of and more power.
Dumami yung kliyente para mas maraming matulungan at mas makatulong sa company.
More success, siyempre maraming taon pang pagdadaanan. May mga challenges pa. Pero alam ko naman, kaya yan ng Bauer of.
More opportunities pa for me kasi gusto ko din pa maka-experience pa ng mga panibagong opportunities.
I hope Bauer will continue its momentum and keep reaching its target sales. Yun lang.
Ang wish ko lang naman po dito sa Bauer ay maging more and successful pa naman ma'am. Tapos dumami pa yung mga clients natin sa ibang lugar, ganun po.
Sana mas tumagal pa, mas sumaba pa. And then, mas lumawak pa yung community ng Bauer of, yung member ng Bauer of.
For Bauer of to be known as the best and reliable fire life safety provider here in the Philippines and soon internationally.
Tayong mga empleyado is sana madagdagan pa para po ay sabay-sabay po tayong mag-grow, tayong lahat.
Oh, 5 years had gone. So, ito, goosebumps and nakita niyo naman yung ngiti ko kasi didn't imagine na from dreams magiging reality na ang vision natin for this company as a firelight safety provider in the Philippines. When we started Power of System Industries Incorporated, we had a great foundation and strong vision. So we think not only 5 years, but to last 50 years in the industries of fire and safety. Since day one, when we started Power of System, our main goal is to promote fire life safety in the Philippines. So as a group of professionals with a passion in fire life safety, we have started Power of System as a company. In 5 years, Power of System, one is competency building internally with the engineers and the technical team. Secondly, with a good team, with a great team and with passion in fire life safety. Third is the client relations of Power of System Industries. The idea behind Power of, I think it's a destiny because one, as a group, we are destined to be together as fire life safety professionals. Secondly, we are professionals that practicing mostly fire life safety and occupational safety and health. And lastly, our passion in building business as engineers and entrepreneurs. Before we called it engineers kasi we have this kind of passion that we want to build a business within our passion. To my colleagues, team, and so-called family at Power of System Industries Incorporated, again, thank you for your passion, dedication, and hard work building the company and wishing your personal growth as the company grows. To our valued clients, business partners from Power of System Industries, our heartfelt thank you for the support, trust given to us in providing fire life safety in their properties, especially in the hotel industries.
Happy 5th anniversary, Power of.
Happy 5th anniversary, Power of.
Happy 5th anniversary, Bawero!
Happy 5th anniversary, Power of.
Happy 5th anniversary, Power of.
Happy 5th anniversary, Bawero!
Happy 5th year to Power of System.
Happy 5th anniversary to Power of.
Happy 5th anniversary, Power of.
Happy 5th anniversary, Bawero!
Happy 5th anniversary, Power of.
Happy 5th anniversary, Power of System.